Happy birthday, America, you fat piece of shit. It's 4th of July and you blocked all your family members on Facebook. But we're not talking politics today. We're talking the In-N-Out mac and cheese burger. Do me a favor and cancel 4th of July. Look up all of its old tweets, look up for old videos. I don't hear any more fireworks. I hear it every goddamn night. You're not gonna have to wait in a stupid long line for an overhyped burger. We're gonna add the most gluttonous shit. That's what we do on this show. We make you fatter and more angrier. Mac and cheese plays a very special place in my heart because it's one of the 3 things my dad was good at. It was mac and cheese, grilled cheese, not showing me affection. The water's boiling. This is going really fast. I wasn't ready for this. You see the sweat on my face? Help! Please. Help. That was for my new play. I'm f***ed if I don't get this right. Oh. Smells like all the allergies all the kids used to make up on the playground. You're not allergic to dairy. You're just a cheese sauce is coming along. You want to make sure that it's nice. Thick. Stop looking at me, you pervert. Oh. Yeah, dude. In-N-Out secret sauce. Secret's out. Thousand Island. We're gonna make it. Oh my god, don't do it. Whole humanity, how could you torture this beautiful cheese sauce? You know nothing about cooking. Your parents were right. You were gonna end up moving back to Florida and becoming a lawyer. It's not true. Also, look at that farmer's tan. You know what that sounds like? Cheese. And fuck. Time for the burger part. Oh, I'm sorry, have you been distracted by all of this sweater? I'm gonna take this meat and make some balls. Balls. Ball looks like this. Go consult a doctor. Don't call more women, because that would just freak them out. I was made to hold a spatula. Do you know how dad I am? Do you know how dad I am? I'm so dad that I won't talk to my kids. Toast your buns. May I? Consent is hot, dude. Oh, fuck yeah. Make sure you follow, subscribe, tell your friends. I'm such an asshole.